if you stuff up while you're talking to the camera, which you will, I do, we all do, take a breath, pause. That pause not only lets you calm down for a second, but it makes editing heaps easier, because you'll notice when you go to edit, you'll see the waveform of your audio. If you see a gap, you know that's where you need to go looking for where you need to make an edit. I'll show you what I mean. So you'll see my video here, and what you'll see down here is what I referred to as the waveform. Now I'm showing you what this looks like in CapCut because I know a number of people use CapCut these days. It's a nice free editor. I do have the pro version, so it might look slightly different to yours. So what you'll see here is I've brought in a video into CapCut, and then when I mentioned the waveform before, this is what I mean. See here where there's nothing, or here where there's nothing, or here where there's nothing? I know without having to rewatch the video 100 times that one of those spots are where I need to look for where I need to make an edit. So I don't have to go listening to it and then going, oh, there. I can see visually without having to rewatch it or play it or listen to it again. I can see nice and quickly that I've got a gap there. And I'm pretty sure, yep, that is where I paused. There you go. These are the sorts of tips and tricks that made me not hate editing so much. Not only that, don't keep starting and stopping recording. If you reach over and stop the camera and start from the very top again every time you make a mistake, you lose your confidence, you lose your flow. So instead of starting again, or instead of rushing into the next bit or rushing to fix the problem, pause. It makes editing easier, it makes you feel better, and it keeps you in flow, which makes the whole video feel better from your audience's perspective.